Every road, no matter how familiar, holds uncertainty. While many accidents appear sudden and unpreventable, most stem from simple errors or overlooked habits. In today's video, we'll explore a range of real-world driving scenarios, each one a learning opportunity designed to sharpen your awareness and improve your safety behind the wheel. Respect for life should be your strongest motivation to drive safely. Every other car holds a person, a parent, a child, a friend. The road is shared. Driving with empathy is not just ethical, it's life-saving. Driving under stress is an underestimated danger. Emotional strain, whether from work, relationships, or personal issues, can cloud your decision-making and slow your reactions. A distracted mind is just as risky as a distracted phone. Before getting behind the wheel, check in with yourself mentally. Sharp turns on narrow roads demand precise control. Many drivers take curves too fast, misjudging their car's grip or the turn's angle. To handle turns safely, always brake before entering the curve, not during. Accelerating gently only after the apex helps maintain control and stability. The psychology of speeding is often rooted in impatience or ego. Yet statistics show that gaining a few minutes rarely justifies the risk. Speed reduces your time to react, increases stopping distance, and amplifies impact forces. Slow down. It's not just about your life, but everyone else's too. Blind spots aren't just an issue for big trucks. Even small cars have dangerous zones. Mirrors don't show everything, especially when changing lanes. A quick shoulder check could prevent a deadly collision. Make it a habit, even if you're in a rush. School zones and residential areas require extreme caution. Children are unpredictable. They chase balls, run across streets, and may not look before stepping into traffic. Slow down to walking speed if necessary. 1 extra second of care can save a life. Improper use of high beams can blind oncoming drivers or those ahead of you. Use them responsibly. Dim your lights when another car approaches, and avoid using them in fog or heavy rain where they reflect light back and reduce visibility. Driving through waterlogged roads might seem manageable, until it's not. Just 6 inches of water can stall a car. A foot can carry a vehicle away. Never underestimate water depth, and if you can't see the road beneath, turn around. It's not worth the gamble. Multi-lane roundabouts confuse many drivers. They often forget to signal their exit or choose the wrong lane, causing abrupt stops or side collisions. Approach with patience, read road markings, and communicate clearly through your indicators. Impatience during parallel parking leads to rushed movements and bad angles, risking damage to your car and others. Take your time. Practice the maneuver in a safe space, and if needed, ask someone to guide you. Confidence grows with skill, not speed. Dashcams are not just for capturing viral videos. They provide critical evidence in case of disputes or false claims. A small investment in a reliable dashcam can protect you legally and help authorities determine the true cause of a collision. The influence of alcohol or drugs on driving is well known, but many underestimate the danger of legal medications. Some antihistamines, painkillers, and even sleep aids impair coordination and judgment. Always read the labels and know how a medication affects you before driving. Driving a vehicle you're unfamiliar with, a rental, a friend's car, or a new purchase, requires a brief orientation. Understand where the lights, wipers, and emergency features are. Familiarity with a car's size, blind spots, and braking response can prevent early mistakes. Tire pressure plays a more vital role in safety than many realize. Underinflated tires reduce traction and increase the chance of blowouts, especially at highway speeds. Check pressure at least once a month and always before a long trip. Nighttime roadworks introduce unfamiliar detours, uneven surfaces, and temporary signs. These zones require slower speeds and heightened attention. Workers often stand just feet away from moving traffic. Your caution isn't just for you, it's for them too. Rear-end collisions are among the most common accidents and often completely avoidable. Avoid distractions, keep a safe distance, and anticipate braking. If you see brake lights far ahead, start slowing down early to give yourself and the driver behind you more time to react. Not all hazards are moving. Debris, potholes, and roadkill can create sudden obstacles. Avoid swerving sharply. Instead, reduce speed and keep a firm grip on the wheel. If possible, report large hazards to road authorities so they can be cleared. Confidence is good, arrogance is deadly. Thinking you can handle it while multitasking, pushing limits, or bending rules is the start of many tragedies. Respect the road, its rules, and the limits of your own focus and reflexes. Safe driving isn't about skill alone, it's about attitude. You don't have to experience tragedy to learn from it. Every scenario we've shared today is someone's real moment of pain, loss, or regret. Let those experiences guide you towards smarter choices. If this video helped you think differently about driving, share it with someone else. One shared lesson might prevent the next accident. Every accident is a serious warning. For greater awareness and to prevent such incidents, click on the next video now.